Okay, so scm.diffDecorations controls diff decorations in the editor. So what are diff decorations? Are these things right here. So this line was changed, so it has this little blue decoration, and this line was removed. So I removed a new line from the last line on the file. So actually, if we edit again, that change will go away. Anyway, you have all. So essentially, in the editor, you have two places where you see diff changes: the gutter and the overview. So you have all, so you see both. Only the gutter. So notice what happens to the overview. Disappears, just the gutter. Then you have the overview. So you have that on the ruler, but not on the gutter. And obviously you have none, so you won't see anything. I do enjoy seeing all, so I'm going to leave this one set to all.